Welcome to my channel Wafa Tech and Tricks. Today we are talking about one of the easiest ways to start an online business without owning any inventory, dropshipping. If you have ever dreamed of running an online store but thought it was too expensive or complicated, this video will change your mind because in 2026 dropshipping is smarter, faster, and more profitable than ever thanks to AI tools and automation. So let's dive in and see how you can start your dropshipping business step by step and make it successful in 2026. What is dropshipping? Let's start with the basics. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an online store, list products from a supplier, and when a customer buys from your store, your supplier ships the product directly to them. You earn the profit difference between the supplier's price and your selling price. No stock, no warehouse, no big investment. Just smart marketing and strategy. How dropshipping works step by step. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps so you can start your own dropshipping business in 2026. Number 1. Choose a profitable niche. Your niche is your foundation. Pick something that's trending but evergreen, like tech gadgets, home decor, fitness gear, or beauty products. Use tools like Google Trends or TikTok Creative Center to find what's trending in 2026. Number 2. Research winning products. Look for products with these three features: high demand, low competition, strong visual appeal. Platforms like AliExpress, Temu, Alibaba are great for finding suppliers and trending items. You can also use AI product research tools like Minia to discover viral products automatically. Number 3. Choose your platform. The easiest way to start is with Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce. Shopify remains the most beginner-friendly option with tons of integrations and AI-driven tools in 2026. Create your store, choose a clean theme, and customize it around your niche. Number 4. Connect with reliable suppliers. Partner with suppliers who offer these things like fast shipping, good product quality, real-time inventory updates. In 2026, CJ Dropshipping and DSers are among the best options for integration with Shopify. Number 5. Set competitive pricing. Decide your profit margin wisely. For example, if your supplier sells a product for $10, you can sell it for $25. That's a $15 profit. But make sure to include ad costs and delivery fees in your pricing strategy. Number 6. Design a professional store. Your store should look clean, trustworthy, and mobile friendly. Use Canva or Shopify's AI design tools to create your logo, banners, and product images. Add trust badges, customer reviews, and an easy checkout process. Number 7. Market your store. Marketing is where the magic happens. In 2026, these are the top performing strategies: TikTok ads and Reels, which offers short, viral product videos. Pinterest and Instagram, like organic traffic with aesthetic visuals. AI ads optimizations. Tools like AdCreative.ai and Meta Advantage Plus help automate ad design and targeting. Number 8. Manage orders and customer service. Once your store is live, you will start getting orders. Use Shopify automation tools to process them automatically. Keep your communication clear. Great customer service builds brand trust. How much can you earn with dropshipping? Let's talk numbers. If your profit margin per product is $15 and you sell 100 items per month, that's $1,500 profit. Scale it up to 500 monthly sales, and you're already touching $7,500 plus per month. Dropshipping income depends on product choice, marketing strategy, and consistency. The key is to reinvest profits into ads and product testing until you find your winning product. Why dropshipping is still profitable in 2026? Some people think dropshipping is dead, but that's far from true. It's just evolving. With AI automation, faster global shipping, and better analytics, It's easier than ever to run your business from anywhere. 2026 brings these things: 3-day global delivery options, AI based customer chatbots, smart product sourcing tools. All these upgrades make dropshipping smoother, more scalable, and more beginner friendly. Dropshipping strategies that actually work in 2026. Let's talk about the proven strategies that will set you apart. Number 1, build a brand, not just a store. People don't just buy products, they buy trust. Use branded packaging, custom logos, and a strong store identity to stand out. Number 2, use AI for product research. AI tools can now predict which products are likely to trend next. Leverage data instead of guessing. Number 3, focus on video marketing. Short form video content like TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels is driving e-commerce in 2026. Show your product in action, quick, catchy, and aesthetic. Number 4, automate everything. Use tools like AutoDS, ZenDrop, or Shopify Flow to automate order processing, emails, and tracking updates. The less manual work, the more time you have for marketing. Number 5, retarget and upsell. Use email campaigns and retargeting ads to bring back potential buyers, offer bundles, discounts, and buy one get one offers to increase cart value. AI advantages in 2026. AI is your best business partner. You can now use AI to create product descriptions automatically, generate ad creatives in minutes, chat with customers using AI bots, predict which ads will perform best before spending money. In short, AI turns dropshipping into semi-automated online business. Long-term growth plan. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a learning process that compounds over time. If you stay consistent for 3 to 6 months, your store gains SEO visibility, your ads get optimized, your returning customer base grows. What starts as $200 profit can scale to $2,000 or $10,000 plus dollars with smart reinvestment. The future of dropshipping in 2026 and beyond. By 2026, we will see AI driven product recommendations, personalized online stores, eco friendly and local dropshipping options. This means new opportunities for entrepreneurs who start early and adapt fast. So, if you have been waiting for the right time, this is the right time. Follow these steps, and your dropshipping business in 2026 can become a real, sustainable online income source. So, what do you think about dropshipping in 2026? Are you ready to build your first online store and turn your ideas into income? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wafa Tech and Tricks for more digital business guides, AI tools, and online earning strategies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.